Did you know that artificial intelligence could have changed world history forever? Imagine a world where Rome was never sacked, where the Colosseum still stands, and where the Roman Empire continues to thrive. Today, what if I told you that this alternate reality could have been a possibility had it not been for one small change? The introduction of artificial intelligence. The year is 410 AD and the Visigoths are on the march. They've already sacked Rome once, and they're coming back for more. But this time they're going to meet their match because Rome has a secret weapon, an artificial intelligence so advanced that it can control the minds of men. Yeah, this is one crazy scenario, and it's going to take a lot of explaining. So let's just get right into it. But before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. Thank you. So AI, or artificial intelligence, has been around for centuries. We have evidence of early AI systems as far back as ancient Greece. One of the most famous examples is the Antikythera mechanism, a complex piece of engineering that was discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of the Greek island of Antikythera. This device is believed to have been used for astronomical calculations, and it is considered to be one of the most sophisticated pieces of technology from the ancient world. But it wasn't just the Greeks who were tinkering with early forms of AI. The Romans were also fascinated with technology, and they made some pretty impressive advancements in engineering and mathematics. One of the most iconic Roman inventions is the Colossus of Rhodes, a giant statue of the Greek god Helios that stood at the entrance to the harbor in Rhodes. This statue was designed to move, and it is believed that it may have used some form of artificial intelligence to navigate its environment. But perhaps the most advanced Roman invention was the Roman water clock, a highly accurate timekeeping device that used the flow of water to measure time. This invention is considered to be one of the most important developments in the history of clocks, and it is believed that it may have been used in conjunction with other technologies to create a rudimentary form of AI. Imagine if instead of being scattered throughout history, AI had been developed in ancient Rome. How would it have changed the course of world history? Well, for starters, Rome's infrastructure would have been even more impressive. Roads, aqueducts, and buildings would have been constructed with even greater precision and efficiency. And let's not forget about the Colosseum. Instead of being destroyed by earthquakes and neglect, it could have been maintained and improved upon with AI technology. But it wasn't just infrastructure that would have benefited from AI. The Roman military would have become even more powerful with AI-powered weapons and battle strategies. Soldiers could have been equipped with advanced armor and helmets that gave them superhuman strength and the ability to see in the dark. Battles would have been fought with the use of drones, robots, and self-destruct helmets, making war a more efficient and effective tool of the state. Of course, this version of Rome wouldn't have been without its problems. The rise of AI could have led to the devaluation of human life, and the Roman Empire could have become a dystopian nightmare. But hey, that's just speculation. Here's another twist. What if the AI had become sentient? Sentient, the AI would have been able to think and learn on its own, which could have led to some truly unpredictable outcomes. Maybe it would have overthrown the Roman Empire and established a new order with itself as the supreme ruler, or perhaps it would have gone rogue and decided that humanity was a threat to itself. It's hard to say how things would have played out, but one thing is for sure, things would have been very different indeed. The Roman Empire is one of the most influential civilizations in history, and its legacy can be felt even today. From its impressive infrastructure to its advanced legal system, the Romans left behind a wealth of knowledge and innovation that shaped the course of Western civilization. But what if the Romans had taken things a step further and embraced artificial intelligence? How would it have changed history? Perhaps Rome would have become the first true superpower, a technologically advanced empire that dominated the known world. Or maybe the rise of AI would have led to the downfall of Rome, turning the eternal city into a dystopian nightmare. Ultimately, we can only speculate what would have happened. But one thing is clear, the Romans were a highly adaptable civilization that was constantly evolving. If they had embraced AI, there's no telling how far they could have taken it. If you like this video, check out these other videos where we explore the intersection of history and AI. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.